Hello everyone, take two sections of the hair from either side and then tie it up at the back. Add a rubber band in the middle of the section, roll the hair in on itself through this middle section, and now pull the section through the top. Now at the base, tie a low ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle of this low ponytail, roll the hair upwards in on itself, wrap it up and pin it up in place. Use decorative pins at the top. Take a section of the hair from the left side, divide it into 3 portions and begin to make a braid out of it. Add a rubber band at one end of it, do the same on the right side as well. Join the two together at the back. Now lift this up and then take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Now do the same at the back once more, lift it up to the top. Now put the braids down as well, add decorative clips to it. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, roll the hair in on itself through the section. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back more towards the right side, and now roll it in on itself. Take a section of the hair from either side once again, and this time tie it up at the back on the left side. Now gather all of the hair together, and then begin to make a braid out of the hair. Continue to do so, and then after this, tie a rubber band at the bottom of it. Once you have tied a rubber band at the base, then you may loosen the sides using your fingers. Now once you loosen the sides, now roll this upwards, and then fasten this braid in place. You may use a decorative clip in order to fasten it in place. Use a bobby pin in order to pin it up as such. Put this through the top. Next, start off by diagonally dividing the hair and then tie a ponytail out of each of these sections. Roll both of these ponytails in on themselves and then afterwards, loosen the sides from the scalp using your fingers. This will create more volume to the hair as such. Now once you're done with it, this is what it should look like. Join the two together, divide it into 3 parts and then begin to make a braid out of it. Loosen the sides of this braid using your fingers and then afterwards, roll this upwards and then pin it up in place using a bobby pin or a multiple prong decorative pin as we have used. Next, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left and the right side, tie it up at the back and roll the hair in on itself. Take another section from the left side, twist it, insert it to the top section you've created on the right side. Repeat this 1 or 2 more times. Gather all of this together at the base into a ponytail, add a rubber band in the middle of this ponytail, lift this up into a bun, add a decorative clip on top of this. Take a section of the hair from the left side and then twist one section over the other as such. Now after this, begin to twist it until you reach the other side. Tie a rubber band to it. Now afterwards, take another section of the hair from the right side, twist it one on top of the other and then move it to the left side and then tie it up in place. Afterwards, press it together. Roll the hair in on itself and then tighten it, add decorative clips to it. Next, start off by tying a ponytail to the hair and then afterwards, on the last loop over, make it into a small bun. Now press it outwards as such. Add a rubber band at the base of it, roll the hair in on itself and then wrap this around the bun that you have created. Using a bobby pin, fasten it in place as such. Afterwards, loosen the sections of the hair on the scalp using your fingers as such. After this, adjust the hair as need be, add a pin around it. Thank you for watching.